Do you know that
What?
in PHP there is a way that you can check your own code inside PHP itself without doing anything else?
But how?
So for example, there is a dynamic code that needs to be executed and you are checking that if it matches certain quality criteria or syntactic errors or not before running it to the machine itself. You can do it by a simple library called Parley parser to be correctly. Let me describe you about this, what it is and how it can build it. I will give you an example as well.
Do you have any comment?
So the PHP parser is a library that takes source code written in PHP, passes through a lexical analyzer and creates its respective syntax tree. This is very useful for static code analysis where we want to check our own code not only for syntactic errors but also for satisfying certain quality criteria. So you can do this by import these important libraries from the Parley, parser, parser exception and lexical token. And then what you need to do is you need to write a certain syntax that you need to pass and you need to build it and you need to run it. And after running it, what you need to, it will give you a two variable action accepted or not, and then you know that everything is passes or not, and and that makes sense. You just need to pass this. For example, here we have created this simple calculator where we want to do some expression like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for this guys and see you in the next video.